Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. It's loud. It's raw. It's American muscle with a British soul. Today, we dive deep into one of the most legendary sports cars ever built, the 1965 Shelby Cobra. Exterior. Let's start with that iconic exterior. The 1965 Shelby Cobra doesn't just turn heads, it snaps necks. The body is based on the lightweight AC-Ace from Britain, but once Carroll Shelby got his hands on it, it became something entirely different. Most Cobras featured lightweight aluminum bodies, but some models had fiberglass replicas in later years. That long, sweeping hood. The bulging fenders. The aggressive front grille. It screams performance. Chrome bumpers, side exhaust pipes, knock-off wheels, and a tiny, barely there windshield complete the package. Every inch of this car tells you what it's made for: pure, unfiltered speed. Interior. Step inside, and you're not in a luxury car, you're in a race car for the street. The interior of the 65 Cobra is minimal. No air conditioning, no radio, no nonsense. Low-slung leather bucket seats hold you in tight. Classic Smith's gauges give you everything you need to know: oil pressure, RPMs, fuel levels, no digital distractions here. A wooden steering wheel and a short throw gear shifter place the driver in full control. This isn't about comfort. It's about connection, between the driver, the machine, and the road. But let's be real, what made the Cobra a legend wasn't how it looked, it's how it moved. Performance. Under the hood, the 1965 Shelby Cobra 427 packed a monstrous 7.0-liter V8 engine. Over 425 horsepower, depending on the tune. Some race variants pushed well beyond 500 HP. Just over 4 seconds from 0 to 60, blisteringly fast for the 60s. Top speed around 165 miles per hour, insane for a street-legal car at the time. Just over 2,300 pounds. The power-to-weight ratio. Absolutely brutal. Four-wheel disc brakes and independent suspension kept things just under control. Driving a Cobra is an adrenaline rush, loud, violent, and unapologetically mechanical. The 1965 Shelby Cobra isn't just a car, it's a symbol. A symbol of what happens when American power meets European finesse. A symbol of a racing era that dared to break every rule. A symbol of Carroll Shelby's relentless vision to dominate the track and the street. In an age of computer-tuned engines and self-driving tech, the Cobra reminds us what real driving feels like: fast, loud, and a little bit dangerous. And that's exactly why we still love it. Thanks for watching. If you love classic cars and automotive history, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next.